Bull Point Lighthouse is a lighthouse on Bull Point, about 1 mile (1.6 kilometers) north of the village of Mortyhoe, on the northern coast of Devon, England. The lighthouse provides a visual aid to the villages of Mortyhoe, Woolacombe and Ilfracombe, and warns of the inhospitable and rocky coast that lines the area. The original lighthouse was constructed in 1879 after a group of local clergy, shipowners, merchants and landowners appealed to Trinity House for one. A foghorn was added in 1919 and it was electrified in 1960. In September 1972, the headland on which the lighthouse stood subsided, making the structure dangerous. Trinity House used an old light tower from elsewhere for 2 years whilst a new structure was rebuilt further inland. This was completed in 1974 at a cost of £71,000 and is currently in use. It was fully automated from completion. Stands 11 meters tall, has a light intensity of 800,000 candelas and can be seen for 24 nmi, 44 kilometers. The diaphone foghorn was switched off in 1988. Apparently the redundant equipment remains inside. The lighthouse was automated in 1995. The site can be visited by an adjacent public footpath. The old lighthouse keepers' cottages are now being let out to tourists as self-catering holiday establishments. Gallery. See also: List of lighthouses in England. Trinity House.